Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change the brush size in Krita. First, make sure you have a brush tool selected. Press B to select it. The easiest way to change brush size while painting is to hold Shift and drag left or right. Dragging right increases the brush size and dragging left decreases it. This works in most recent Krita versions and is fast for on-the-fly adjustments without menus. You can also use bracket keys on your keyboard. Press the right bracket to increase the brush size, and press the left bracket to decrease it. If you want to set an exact size, look for the brush size slider in the tool options at the top or side of the Krita interface when the brush is active. Just drag the slider or right-click its number to type in a value. Another way is via the Brush Presets Docker or Quick Settings Docker, which can be enabled via Settings, Dockers, then Quick Settings. These often include a size control slider right alongside other common brush settings. And that's how you change the brush size in Krita. Thanks for watching.